Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. Things are in full swing now here on the farm. Today is January the 30th and spring has sprung. At least that's what it feels like. So we did get close to 4 inches of rain yesterday and the night before. So we got a really good rain, guys, and we're very excited about that. Now we've got kind of a strong north wind, but this is supposed to move out, and tomorrow we're supposed to be in the 70s, and I think Sunday in the 70s, and it's going to continue to climb next week. There's a chance of some cooler temps, but right now what we're seeing is it's not going to make it as far south to us. It may not. To me, it doesn't matter either way. I still want some cooler weather. We've had about 2 weeks of cold weather where we were below freezing every morning and significantly below freezing. Like there was one morning it was 14 degrees, and then we've had 22 degrees, 25 degrees. But now we're on the upswing, and Greg has started to feel better. He is on his 4th or 5th week of vitamin D. He says he does believe that that is helping, and so he has been very busy starting seeds. And let me show you what we got going on here at the farm. Wow, so these are all of our tomato plants that are starting to really germinate and come in. So we're gonna have loads of these. Very excited. It won't be long before these will be ready for uppotting, guys. So we'll be getting ready for that probably in the next 7 to 10 days. But we'll be gauging it because we are gonna be warm this week. Onions are going crazy in here, and I really need a spot to plant, but we don't have a spot for me to move them to yet. One of you suggested that I should pull some of them and freeze dry, and I think that's probably what we're gonna do. Now, we don't freeze dry when it's really, really cold outside because we didn't really think, and we put the freeze dryer right next to where our thermostat is, and so when that freeze dryer is running, it thinks that it's like 75 degrees in the house, and the heat doesn't kick on and we freeze to death. Here are more of our seed starts. These are more tomatoes. We are growing the Cherokee Purple, Beefsteak. We've got some Black Krim going. We got some Roma. Perone has been our variety that we grow here. We have really good luck with the Perone. We have some Tommy Toes and more Cherokee Purple, and he's kind of doing them in 1 week to 2 week increments. Here are our peppers. We have several different varieties. We've got our bell peppers, we got cayenne peppers, jalapeno peppers, banana peppers. Let's see. You can see he got loads of peppers going. Poblano, banana, paprika peppers. So he's got lots of seeds here. And here's our herb tables. We are growing sage. We have cilantro. Let's see, what is that? I can't read his writing. We have thyme, oregano, mullein, chives, and thyme. And he has this whole table here that he's going to get filled up. And then we have these tables here that are going to get filled up. So we are going to have loads of plants this spring to sell. So this is what those deeply below freezing temperatures did to our raised beds, which I expected. These were turnips, and yeah, turnips might be okay, but the greens aren't. Look at there. So I might trim those greens off, guys. My onions look like they're bouncing back. I hope they are. I really hope they are. And then this was some lettuce. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. And these are some of our radishes, and I think the radishes are just fine. And you know it's cold when it knocks out your chard. However, there's still some healthy green on this, so I think if I get in here and start to cut back this dead stuff, that I'll start to see some more growth coming up. And this kale did okay, but yeah, these need to be cut back, and we'll see what happens. You can see we have standing water. We have that bed over there getting ready, and we have 2 other raised beds that we're gonna have to put together. And this is where my marshmallow root is. So you can see I've got some good stalks there, and there's that marshmallow root, which is just a wonderful herb to have. So I'm gonna cover that back up. We're gonna cover that back up. So again, it looks like tomorrow and Sunday is gonna be cleanup day and getting ready to plant day, and continued seed starting day, and I'm gonna start some flowers. to try to get going this year. I've not had a lot of luck with flowers, guys, other than marigolds, and maybe I had a couple of lilies one year that were just gorgeous, so I'm gonna try those again. But I'm excited. So it is gardening time, it is farming time, and right now it can never be a better time for you guys to start growing your own food with all that is going on in this crazy world of ours. So now's not the time to be sitting on the sideline, my friends. It's time to get up and get busy. It's that time of year here in the South, and especially here in Texas, to start getting your seeds started. If you haven't already, I know a lot of you already have, and to start getting ready to plant, because it will be here before you know it. Wanted to give you a quick update. If you're new to our channel, we ask that you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Be sure and share, because we are all about regenerative gardening, growing our own food and preserving our own food, and we would love for you to join us. So see you all soon. We love each and every one of you. Take care.